Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and thanks to a ex-user, or what was called Twitter, Xenopanther, that often sees things within the different pages of documentation at Microsoft. We knew that it was pretty much official that Windows 12 is not going to be a thing this year. We knew that Windows 11 24H2 is supposed to be the big update coming later this year. And now we have a reference to it when we look at the Flight Hub page at Microsoft, which is the name they give to the different versions of Windows that have or will be coming soon. Well, they've added Windows 11 2024 update. And so that means basically it's going to be called the 2024 update. And that's 24H2. So they've been keeping it rather simple with Windows 11, 23H2, 22H2, which they just called, 2022 update, 2023 update. So this is now the new name that's been added officially to the Flight Hub. So I guess we will be getting later this year Windows 11 2024 update, or what we also call here 24H2. This is what the code name Hudson Valley is all about. This is the next version of Windows coming up with a lot of features. It's going to be a major update to Windows 11, so this is going to be interesting to see. And it'll be interesting to see also when the insiders, like in the Canary build, we've been getting small incremental upgrades, but nothing major yet. And we know that we are soon to get some major jump in the build number. So that will probably bring in also the new features. And we know that its time is ticking because we're February, and apparently May or June is when OEMs or the manufacturers are supposed to get this. So it's supposed to be tested soon. And of course, all of that for a release in what would be probably September, but October is probably where it's going to happen. So we've got the name of Windows 11 2024 update, and that's 24H2 coming up later this year. If we enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.